Hi, and welcome to Fortress Railing Products and our Preferred Builder program. I'm going to explain to you some of the features of the program, as well as talk about our products and what they each have to offer. The Preferred Builder program offers you, the contractor, the ability to offer 5 years limited warranty on labor for eligible Fortress products. You'll also have a certificate letting people know that you are a member of this program and acknowledging that you can offer a labor warranty, and that gives you credibility with the homeowners. You'll be listed on our website as one of our preferred builders. You'll be offered some free samples and literature as part of the program. You get exclusive access to our customer portal that has a lot of tools to help you grow your business. You'll get priority on lead referrals. You'll also be able to post photos of your jobs on our gallery, and you'll get credit as the person who did the job. You get priority support from the sales and customer service team, and you'll get the ability to participate in our rebate program. So who is Fortress? Well, we have a history of transforming outdoor spaces. We're one of the strongest brand names in the railing industry. From whether you're into commercial or residential styles, we're a category creator, and we've got a lot of solutions for any type of application you're looking for. We're a pioneer member of Fortress Railing Products. We're privately held. We're a family business, and we innovative companies which boast nearly 50 years of combined experience in the building products industry. So what do we deliver? We like to think speed and simplicity that comes with panelized systems, consistency, repeatability, quick installation for the contractors. Many of our families share accessories like posts and brackets, so the amount of SKUs you need to deal with are somewhat minimized. We offer reliability, high-quality products that are consistently third-party tested and designed for less callbacks and improved customer satisfaction. The flexibility of a wide portfolio of railing options that provides customers a variety of styles, different views that are all low maintenance and safe. And the confidence that comes with a company with a long track record that's committed to the long-term success of our customers. Our value to you is the pre-assembled panel systems. Again, speed and simplicity for takeoffs and installation. Strength is third-party tested and documented. We can help you with documentation should that be necessary, and that comes from testing the actual products, not somebody making a calculation from an engineering drawing. Again, the reliability from a recognized industry leader with a long track record. You'll have the availability of experienced technical assistance should it be needed, and options to offer the homeowner everything they may need from metal to aluminum to steel to cable and glass. We test our products extensively, and we use third party. Whether the appropriate code is for residential use or commercial multifamily use, or you happen to be one of our friends up north in Canada, we tested the appropriate codes, and we have the documentation to show that we pass. At Fortress, we talk about the Fortress 5. These are the tenets of what we do with our products and what we like to offer our customers at all levels. The quality that we build into our products and constantly test to make sure we have it. The strength to know that it does meet or exceed code requirements. Innovation that comes from constant improvement. We are the owners of a number of patents that are worth knowing about. The versatility of a broad product line. It means you learn one product, you learn the concepts of how our stuff is assembled. You'll be able to use the other families as well. And the ease of installation that comes from panelized systems with bracket systems that are well thought out and well executed. Assembly is as simple as 1, 2, 3, Fortress. Step 1, choose your panels. Step 2, choose posts and brackets. Step 3, choose from a number of personalization options, and then you have a Fortress system. So the Fortress railing portfolio consists of a number of products, as we mentioned earlier. I'm going to go briefly here, and then we'll go into more detail on each of the families. We offer 2 families of steel railing, FE26, primarily for residential, but also meets some commercial applications. FE26 Plus is available for commercial and multifamily applications. On the aluminum side, we have our residential product, the AL13 Home, which meets building code for residential use, and our AL13 regular aluminum line, which is also appropriate for both residential and for commercial applications. Within cable, we have two versions. We have horizontal cable and vertical cable. The only company that can offer panelized systems with both options. On the glass side, we have full glass panels. We also have glass balusters. We also offer a variety of steel balusters with many looks, many options there. Fortress Accents is our accessory line that offers lighting as well as post cap decorative options and the electronics that go with those. And we offer handrail systems, both in steel and aluminum, one square, one round, and the option for ADA compliant handrails. So EPI 26 steel railing. This is the core of our product line. It's our longest running product. It has the beauty of wrought iron with increased performance. Because it's a panelized system, installation is fast and easy with decreased labor costs. Almost no ongoing maintenance because of our unique E-coating feature, which we call Fortress Shield, which protects against corrosion for long periods of time. Lots of options here for optimization. And again, as all our products, it's safety tested to the appropriate codes, and we have the documentation to prove it. If you're looking for commercial or multifamily applications, we would steer you towards perhaps our FE 26 Plus line. Again, it's got that same look of wrought iron, but increased performance because it's panelized and in a controlled environment. It's fast and easy to install. Almost no ongoing maintenance. It does have our unique Fortress Shield protection against corrosion. Lots of options for customization. And again, it meets or exceeds standards, and it's safety tested to prove that. Cable is one of the fastest growing segments of the railing industry, and Fortress is unique in that we have panelized systems for both horizontal and vertical options. Both families have stairs and gates, also panelized, ready to go. Installation's fast and easy, same concept as our other panelized systems. The cables are pre-assembled. You're not running the cables yourself. It's already there. Easy to do takeoffs, decreased labor costs. The unmatched versatility, as you can use ours with metal posts, wood posts, composite or vinyl posts, or into appropriate masonry. Ongoing maintenance, again, is virtually non-existent because of our unique E-coated steel rails and the fact that our stainless steel components are pre-strung. Once they're tensioned, you don't need to go back and redo that. And again, with the introduction of our horizontal option, there's now a choice between vertical and horizontal. If you like the safety of vertical, we have that. You like the look of horizontal, it's also there. Both these use the same posts, same bracket systems, same installation techniques. Balusters, we offer 100% galvanized steel balusters with the premium powder coat. Highly versatile solutions here. You'll take a look at the picture, you'll see some of them. We offer balusters that are both round and square. We have some for fascia mount applications. We have some with our own connectors that go into the top and bottoms of rails. You can use these with wood, composite, vinyl, or our Fortress posts. It's a great way to replace old wood balusters with something much more durable and much better looking. Within aluminum, our AL13 line can be used both for residential and commercial applications. It's fast and easy. It's a panelized system, decreased labor costs, unmatched versatility as it also works with wood, vinyl, composite, or our Fortress aluminum posts. Ongoing maintenance is, again, virtually non-existent. It's safety tested, and there are options for customization. For purely residential offerings, we have our AL13 Home. Totally targeted this, pre-welded panels, pre-attached brackets for ease of installation, fast, labor cost savings, simplified ordering, and consistent quality. We have options here for continuous over-the-post look, or you can use the same products for a raised post if you want to add lighting options on top of the posts. Fortress Lock Finish, this is another way that we do to make sure there is no corrosion or oxidation. And this product offers a limited lifetime warranty. Our glass family we call PureView. It's cost-effective and an elegant glass railing system that eliminates the custom cutting of glass. We have a large variety of different sizes. The glass drops into glass panels and balusters. We minimize the rail profile to obstruct the look as little as possible. Our hidden grommets minimize dirt and staining. Like our other families, you can use this with wood composite vinyl or our own posts. And the glass is held securely in both the top and bottom rails with a vinyl extrusion. Fortress Accents is our accessory line of lighting, post cap options, and other decorative options. Within the lighting family, you can light 1, 2, 3, or 4 sides of our post caps. You can integrate lighting into new or existing structures. You can use common posts and materials such as wood, metal, vinyl, and wood and composite for this as well. And you can expand on additional lighting options at a certain time or add accessories. The lighting is energy efficient. It uses less energy than incandescent. It's LED. It's strong and durable. The post covers are made of die-cast aluminum. They're waterproof and salt and air resistant. Our LED lighting is virtually maintenance, and it carries a 10-year warranty. Maintenance free and carries a 10-year warranty. Our handrail systems, quick and easy to install. Brackets and adapter allow for installation at almost any angle. The round system also meets ADA standards for accessible design. So here's a chart showing the application, which products may be appropriate for a given application, giving the material and which applications. You'll notice that there are a lot of our products that are appropriate for both residential and commercial. You'll see that we have options if you prefer aluminum, if you prefer steel, we have both of those. Again, cable in both horizontal and vertical. We offer glass in full glass panels and balusters. Accents is our accessory line. And we offer steel metal balusters, again, for both residential and commercial. Handrails round and square. I'll point out that if you need ADA compliance, then you want to go with the round handrail system. Some features are specific to one or more of our products, so if that's really important to you, we've provided with this chart to show you if over on the left, if that's a preference that's very important, which product you may want to use. For instance, if you have a fascia mount application at this time, the only one of the 3 traditional railing products is the FE26 that has that fascia mount post option. If you prefer pre-attached brackets, would direct you to either FE26 or our residential aluminum product, AL13 Home. If color is definitely a hot button, you'll want to look at that line here as well. Antique bronze is only offered in our FE26 line. Whereas if you want white, you're going to get an aluminum product. If it's a gloss white, it'd be our AL13. Or a matte white, that would be our AL13 Home residential product. If it's all about warranty, you're probably going to be leaning more towards aluminum because both these offer a limited lifetime warranty. Whereas our steel products, FE26 and our cable, only 15 years. So if to summarize, FE26, strength and look of steel. And if you want the antique bronze color, the unique things for our AL13 line is the gloss white color or the gloss black color. And within AL13 Home, the matte white and the over the post option, the continuous handrail looking thing. That's peculiar there. So take a look at this, and this will help steer you to the appropriate look for your application. So there's a wealth of information on our railing site, fortressrailing.com. I'm going to highlight some of the things that's there. This can be a great resource for you to find information that you want. At the top, there's a menu there that talks about the inspiration gallery. We'll get into that. What's available on the product link, and then you'll see that there are instructions there as well. So we'll get into more of that here over the next few slides. So the inspiration gallery has within that a menu that allows you to choose on a specific product, and it takes you to a multitude of pictures for that product that shows you what your project may look like. You can share these with homeowners. Again, we'll get to where you can upload your own, and we'll add them to this gallery. But a lot of glamour shots here, and that's kind of what it's about. We want you to see how great this can look and help this to sell the job to the homeowner. Within the products arena, you can get in there, and there'll be links to a product category, product catalogs, detail sheets. The brochure is digitized and on there. Next to it, under instructions, are the installation instructions that can be downloaded. We have a link there for architectural specifications, code testing, You can get the details on our warranty. And again, over on instructions, we have installation videos for our products. It can be very, very helpful if you have any questions. Within the product area, again, details on warranties can be found there. But when you click on the warranties, there's also a link from that page that shows you how to file a warranty online, which is the best way to do this. All the records will be there. They'll be there electronically. It'll come directly to us, and we'll be able to address the warranty claim as fast as possible. So strongly, strongly suggest you find your way to this if there ever is a need for you or a homeowner to file a warranty. Within the products, again, I mentioned this earlier, there's a link there to submit your product photos, and we really encourage you to do this. You do a good-looking job, you'd like to have credit for it, and we'll put these on our inspiration gallery, and we'll make a note that it was your company that did the installation. One way you can gain legitimacy and help generate some more leads for yourself. So when you talk to the homeowner trying to close the deal, what do you have from Fortress to help you do that? You have what we call our Fortress 5, we mentioned before. The products we have all offer quality, strength, innovation, versatility, and the ease of installation of panelized systems. We have a product for everybody, whether you prefer steel or aluminum as a material, a variety of colors, certain aspects of customization for topping off the railing, or whether you need lighting or a handrail system that's ADA compliant to go along with it. We have a solution, and it's all here at one company. We have the code compliance, third-party testing, and the documentation to show this to the homeowner and necessary to a code compliance officer to get a certificate of occupancy. These are available because we're manic about this. We definitely spend a lot of time and money to make sure that we have the documentation and that we can prove it. Strong, legitimate warranties give you and the customer peace of mind. Chart here tells you, you look at these, and again, we've been in business long enough that we've had to live with warranties, so we stand behind them. We've made our products as good as we can, so we have a very minimal experience with warranties. Look at the bullet point here. Our warranty claim limit last year was just over 0.25% of our total sales. I think that speaks strongly to the quality of the product that we offer. So within the Preferred Building Program, what are the next steps? We'll mail you via email a link to complete and submit the online application. Once you do that, you'll be a member of the Preferred Builder Program. We'll send you a welcome email with some instructions how to access the sales and marketing tools within the Customer Resource Portal and to register for the rebate program. We'll also mail to you a welcome packet with your certificate and your labor acknowledgement so you can show homeowners that you're allowed to offer that. You'll start generating leads off of the website immediately. Third, you and Fortress together will promote and install, hopefully, a lot of Fortress products. And last, you'll collect your money and grow your business. Thank you for your attention. I hope you found this informative. If you have any questions and all, you can send them through the website, and we will try to address them for you. Again, thank you for your attention.